Yeah, in this video we're talking about converting string to upper and lower case in JavaScript. Okay, I'll start by creating my HTML, my basic HTML structure. Then inside the body elements, I will add let me first of all, because I'll be using external JavaScript first, I'll link it through source script inside a script element. Then I will now write src for source and then delete the name of my external file, which is index.js. Okay, having done this, now I will now use the create a header1 element where I will be displaying the output of this my JavaScript. So inside the head one, I will now add an attribute, id attribute, and then set it equal to the name I want to give to the id. Let me use h1. Okay, so I'm done here. Now if I put test inside this header one, let me see, make sure that my distance, let me refresh. Okay, yeah, it's working. Let me clean this test. Okay, now inside our JavaScript, we'll create a variable, say var, let me call it a string. Since we're working with string, I'll call it a string, and I'll set it equal to a string values. Let me say something like hello, everyone, hello everyone. Let me leave it like this. So to convert this to lower or upper case, what I have to do first of all, because I really need to be displaying this thing in my browser, I'll use documents dot get elements by id, then open a parenthesis, and then double quote the name of the let the name of the what is it called, the name of the id that I'm targeting. If you don't know how to do this document or get element by id, what it means and how to use it, go and watch my HTML JavaScript. You really understand how this thing works. Okay, having said that, I will now say dot inner HTML. Okay, then coming back to this place, I will now create another variable, and I'll call this variable output. Um, say output. I will now set it equal to we use a method. To do this, we are using a method called uppercase and the lowercase. Okay, this method has its own its own parameter that it accepts. Okay, so let me do that. To do that, we say something, we call the name of our variable, which is the first of all, let me first of all set this our index inner HTML equal to this output so that we can see what we are the output in the screen. So I will now say output, okay, name of our variable. Okay, nothing is defined. The reason why I say undefined because I've not set anything here. Okay, so coming here now, I will now say string. I will say string. Okay, hello everyone. Then I will now say string dot. You use a method. Method is just like a function. That is what method means, something like that. So you now say something like I want to convert this text. Let me see. You see the text is in lowercase. All of it is in lowercase. You can see that. So I want to convert it to uppercase. So what I will now do, I will now say dot. The method name is to upper. I think I'm getting to uppercase. Look at here is it. Okay, to uppercase, then I will now call the function. Yeah, it will now convert the whole string, this string now, to a uppercase. You can see the effect on this browser. You can see that the thing is just like a function. Okay, you can see that hello everyone is now in uppercase. Let's take for instance now that this my, and always note that um this effect, this method does not modify this variable. It does not change anything inside this variable. Okay, it just creates its own string and then add the property, kind of add the property. Let's say is a kind of adding property because it changes its font size. Let me just use that word. It adds its own property and then render it to the browser. Okay, from this string, and this string, the way you are seeing it, this variable remain the way it is. Nothing will change it. It will still remain like that. Okay, this one does not change it or modify anything here. Okay, so having said that, let me make this one a lowercase so that I will convert it to lowercase. So you also see that. Let me say let me say hello, hello, yeah, hello everyone, hello everyone. This uppercase, so I want to use another method which is to lowercase. Just say to lowercase, then call the parameter. Okay, see now it will convert it directly to lowercase. Okay, so this is it for um, converting a string from converting a string. This is for converting a string to upper and lower case in JavaScript. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.